If your content is ranking but not getting clicks, you don't have an SEO problem, you have an AEO problem. Let's fix that fast. So AEO, or Answer Engine Optimization, is how you make your content the answer that AI systems pick first. SEO gets you indexed, AEO gets you selected. Search is moving from lists to final answers, and users want clear, credible, immediate responses. If your brand isn't structured for answers, another brand will be. Here's how to make AEO work for you. First up, start by targeting question-based queries in clusters rather than just keywords. So you focus on who, what, why, how, should, versus, and best questions your audience is typing or saying out loud. Open with a tight, direct answer in a short paragraph, then support it with context, examples, and proof. Make your content easy for machines to parse with clean headings, short paragraphs, and structured explainers. Add credibility with fresh stats, dates, sources, and bylines so assistants feel confident citing you. Build topic hubs with Q&A subpages that interlink naturally. And keep pages updated so you're always the freshest, most useful answer. The business impact is real. More inclusion in AI-generated results, more qualified traffic, even from no-click journeys, and lower acquisition costs on high-intent topics. Happy HubSpotting.